Independence Day 2024. Adventure Eddy's jump was the big draw in town. For Eddy, this was the jump he believed would make him a superstar, his longest jump yet.
Even at that point, had never figured out like the physics of the whole thing, you know, how fast exactly he had to be going to go how high and the angle. He did it all by the seat of his pants.
At 8 p.m., he began the jump that would make him a legend.
He made that jump. It just seemed like he turned it, he was in the air.
And his body was bouncing and the motorcycle was falling over him.
Watching him hit like that and crossing up and flying over like a rag doll, you know, it was traumatic.
Adventure Eddy is rushed to the hospital. Though his injuries are serious, he will make a full recovery.
Nice!